Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Regards to all honorable judges and all participants. Dian Rizqi Khusnul Khotimah from Statistics Indonesia or Badan Pusat Statistik proudly present Big Data Analysis: How Public Response to Islamic Economy in Indonesia During Pandemic, for the 7th International Islamic Monetary, Economic, and Finance Conference 2021. Outline for this presentation consists of background, literature review, methodology, result and analysis, conclusion and recommendation. First, I will talk about background of this research. As the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, Indonesia has a great opportunity to empower Islamic economy on various subjects. As an important pillar to help Indonesia cope with a world economy that has become more fragile, uncertain, and complex. Then, the social and economic impacts caused by COVID-19 pandemic are making worse poverty by greatly affect the level of community welfare. The government has designed and implemented various programs in the context of poverty eradication during the pandemic, including increase the role of Sharia or Islamic economics, empower Sharia, inclusive and balanced aspects through Islamic economy. Every Islamic economy program or subject requires an evaluation on the level of acceptance by public. The evaluation system used by the Indonesian government is still conventional in the form of tiered reports or survey from the smallest unit. Collecting evaluation conventionally requires a long time and process related to the large population and territory of Indonesia, especially with many limitations during pandemic. Slower evaluation will hold up policy making, so we need to innovate the evaluation method, and I propose the empowerment of big data through social media analysis to evaluate Islamic economy programs. Next, literature review about related research. Raunak Besu et al. In 2017 published a journal about harnessing Twitter data for analyzing public reactions to government policies about transportation. Then, World Bank and UN Global Pulse at 2015 have done research for using Twitter data to analyze public sentiment to fuel subsidy policy. Then, research from VR Social at 2021 showed that there are 202.6 million internet users in Indonesia. 63.6% of internet users aged 16 to 64 were active Twitter users. The large percentage of active Twitter users also potential to be used as an online data source to take public response and opinions on government programs related to Islamic economy. Methodology. Data collection is carried out by the scraping method using Python. The tweet data was collected from January 1, 2020 to June 30, 2021. Twitter data usually has a lot of noise, so data cleaning through filtering and text pre-processing needs to be done before the data ready to analyze. Then, this research used sentiment analysis and visualization for data analysis method to get insight of public response. Next, result and analysis. First, ekonomisyariah or Sharia economy. Percentage of public opinion about Sharia economy is dominated by positive and neutral opinions, as many 48% and 40%, and only 12% that criticize or disagrees with the subject. During the time span between January 2020 to June 2021, there are dominance of tweet positive opinions that always much greater than tweets with negative opinions. The large number of positive public opinion shows that this program is visible to be continued by government. The government should pay more attention to the shortcomings that exist in the implementation of Sharia economy, especially in preventing corruption and make sure procedure which free from riba. public hope that Sharia economy can be optimized to develop potential economy, bring back social welfare, and at the end can accelerate economic recovery. Public also giving an opinion that the development of Sharia economy needs to be balanced with economy digital. Second, economy digital or digital economy. Digital economy had 60% positive response and 30% neutral response, and only 7% were negative response. Sentiment trend of digital economy shows the dominance of tweets with positive opinions and neutral opinions. Government must optimize internet using and empower micro, small, medium enterprise to go digital. Government also needs to concern about bad impact of carbon pollution from digital product and need to develop a sustainable product. Combined with Islamic economy, digital economy is expected to be able to become a solution for fixing economic growth, optimizing demand and supply, and also increasing welfare. Third, keuangan syariah or Sharia finance. Most of public accepted Sharia finance as shown in figure 9. The percentage of public opinion about this subject is dominated by neutral and positive opinions. And also, during pandemic era, the number of tweets with neutral and positive opinions are always greater than tweets with negative opinions. Government needs to concern about transparency to make sure the pure quality of Sharia financial. The community hopes that Sharia financial can be optimized for improving potential inclusions, supporting economic development, contributing for market share, and empowering competitiveness of Islamic economy as the foundation of Indonesia's economic revival. Fourth, industry halal or halal industry. Halal industry received positive sentiment of 62%, greatest among the other subjects. The trend shows dominance of tweets with positive opinion all the time. Government needs to concern about halal industry literacy to make public aware about the importance of industrial halal ecosystem. Halal industry was expected to be the one for empowering economic sector through market control and strengthening competitiveness so it can accelerate economic recovery. Next, conclusion. It can be concluded that in general, public have accepted and support all subjects or programs related to Islamic economy. With those public response, we got insight that Islamic economy programs are successful and feasible to be continued by the government to empower the economy, especially in pandemic era. Last, recommendation. First, government need for giving attention to evaluate program or subject of Islamic economy based on negative sentiments from public. It can minimize problems during implementation of program. Then, government can get insight how to upgrade quality of program based on link word of public hope. Thus can increase public trust of program. And the last, government should create a dashboard system to display the evaluation of government Islamic economy programs in real time through social media analysis. The faster evaluation method can speed up and empower policies making about Islamic economy program. The quick and precise policy making can optimize public welfare to overcome the impact of pandemic and accelerate economic recovery. Data is expensive, but country development without data is much more expensive. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.